Hi, I'm Justin, and today we're going to take this and turn it into this. This video is made possible with the help of Cottonelle Flushable Wipes. They reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in doing a sponsored video, and I said sure, why not? I already carry these in all my bathrooms at home, so I thought I'd tell you about them too. They're available in a 2 and a 4 pack over at Walmart, in stores or online. Curbside pickup is available. So go check it out. The link is in the description below, and I hope you enjoy the build.
With any accent wall I do, I always paint the back wall black so that if there are any imperfections or cracks in the wood, you won't be able to see the wall. I made a little mess in the process, but no worry. I picked up these pre-stained wood boards from the local home center. These are really nice and convenient, don't have to worry about staining, and they do come in a variety of colors. And so I measured my wall and I cut all the pieces to length. My width between the wall I was trying to do was about 35 inches, so I cut random pieces to equal 35 inches and pre-built it on the floor beforehand, took it upstairs and installed it nice and easy. I like to find at least one stud in the wall when I'm hanging boards up. It's not necessary, but it couldn't hurt, right? I use interior liquid nail to hold the boards up. This is really what's going to hold the boards up for the long run. I do use a nail gun to attach them to the wall temporarily, but this is what's going to make them stick. With the boards all pre-cut to 35 inches, it was pretty easy just to glue them and stick them up on the wall. And one after the other, the wall comes together. And after all the wall panels were up, I hung up some decorative shelves that we had from a previous move that weren't being used, and the build was done. Again, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Cottonelle Flushable Wipes. They are the #1 flushable wipe brand in the nation. The superior clean, other than using dry alone. Moist and dry together is always better. And it immediately starts breaking down 6 times faster than the leading competitor brand.
This build has been on my bucket list for a while. I thought it'd be kind of fun. It is something that you can scale up and do in a larger room. I did it recently in my family room as a featured accent wall behind my TV. I'll show you here. And I think it turned out great. It is large reward with little effort, which is really nice because you can get this done in an evening if you move quick. And it looks really nice. I know it's just a bathroom, but anything to brighten the day, right? Hope you enjoy.